So there is an AI that now lives directly inside Excel. It can read your spreadsheets, answer questions, fix errors, and even update numbers without breaking your formulas. Let me show you how it works. First, quick intro to those who don't know. Cloudy is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. Think of it like ChatGPT but from a different company. Anthropic built an official Excel add-in, so instead of copying your data into a chat window, Cloudy just sits right inside Excel, reads your actual file, sheets, formulas, cell references and everything. Setting it up takes a minute. Open Excel, go to Home tab and click on Add-ins and search here Claude AI by Anthropic. And here it is, just click on Add and then log in with your account. Just click on Login to Claude AI, authorize it, copy the code and paste the code here. And the Claude AI is ready to use. Here is a quarterly expense report with 3 months of data and 9 categories. Let's say you just have received this file and want to understand what this is about. So you have to come in Home tab and click on Claude AI. And let's expand it. Here we'll type, walk me through this workbook, words in each sheet and how they are connected. Now let's click here. And Claude AI has mapped it out. Now, let me ask something specific. Which category went the most over budget this quarter? Press enter. And here is the answer. Office rent went the most over budget this quarter with a variance of PKR 7 lakhs. So it checked everything and I didn't have to sort or filter anything. Now here is something interesting. Look at the budget column and look at the variance. Every single category is showing massively over budget. Rent alone shows 7 lakhs over. That looks terrible. But wait, does that even make sense? Our budget for rent is 3,50,000 a month. And this is a quarterly report. 3 months of rent should be 10,50,000. And we spent exactly 10,50,000. So why does the variance say we are 7 lakhs over? Something's wrong with the formula. Let me ask Claude AI. So I have typed here, the budget numbers in column F look too low. Can you check the VLOOKUP formula and tell me if it's pulling the right data from budget rates? Now press enter. So here's the mistake. The VLOOKUP formulas in summary are pulling monthly budget column 3 instead of quarterly budget column 4. So here's the mistake. In the budget column, we have typed here 3, but this is quarterly report, so it should be pulling column 4. Now the Claude AI is asking, want to fix the VLOOKUP formulas in both sheets to pull the quarterly budget? I say here, yes. And here it is, the Claude AI has solved a problem. Now in every cell, the formula has been corrected. The index number has been changed from 3 to 4. Now, let's say the landlord has changed the rent for the office for the month of March from 3,50,000 to 4 lakh. Then we can type here, change office rent for March from 3,50,000 to 4 lakh. What happens to the quarter 1 total and budget variance? Now let's press enter. So here is the change. If rent has been increased from 3,50,000 to 4 lakh for the month of March, then we are out of budget. And here is the variance, which is 50,000. That's the difference. You change one number and Claude AI shows you the full ripple effect. You can also ask Claude AI to do things you would normally spend time figuring it out manually. If I type here, compare January versus March spending, which categories increased and which decreased. And here is the summary. 4 categories increased, 4 categories decreased, and 1 category remained flat. Similarly, we can ask, if we need to cut 10% from next quarter's budget, which category would you recommend reducing and why? And let's see what's the answer. And here's the answer. Claude AI gives a thoughtful answer based on actual numbers. It knows which categories are flexible and which are fixed cost like rent. Now, one important thing, the Excel add-ins is free to install from the Microsoft Marketplace. But to actually use it, you need a paid Claude AI subscription. The cheapest option is Claude AI Pro at $20 a month. But honestly, if you work with spreadsheets regularly, the time you save can easily justify at $20. Even just understanding someone else's messy workbook in 10 seconds, that alone pays for itself. Tell me in the comments what would you ask Claude to do in your spreadsheets. See you in the next one.